Want YouTube as a real app on your Mac? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to install it and open YouTube straight from your desktop. Once YouTube is open, now look at the top right corner of Chrome. Click the three-dot menu. From the menu, move down and click Cast, Save, and Share. Here, you should see an option called Install YouTube. That's the option we're looking for. Now click Install YouTube. A small confirmation window should appear. Then click Install to continue. Chrome will now create a separate YouTube app on your Mac. And this is where it gets useful. You won't have to keep opening YouTube in a regular browser tab. After the installation finishes, YouTube should be added to your Mac's applications. To find it, open Finder. Then click Applications in the left sidebar. Look for the YouTube app. Once you find it, double-click the app to open it. If you want even quicker access, you can keep YouTube in your dock. With YouTube open, right-click the YouTube icon in the dock. Then move your cursor over Options. Now click Keep in Dock. From now on, YouTube will stay right there in your dock, ready to open whenever you need it. If this saved you some time, like the video and subscribe for more quick Mac and tech tutorials that make everyday tasks easier. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.